Indigenous conservation for me is both a way of knowing and doing and living in harmony with the environment and all living beings. It's something that we as Indigenous people have been doing since time immemorial, and informs both our worldview and the balance that we seek to create in all of the relationships that we form and the work that we do. IPCAs, they're a place where I think a lot of things that we work on in the environment sector can happen. I think about species at risk and species management, conservation, activities, biodiversity, climate solutions, nature-based solutions for climate action. Protected areas can become a place where we can realize a lot of those visions and objectives and goals, and particularly with the guidance and knowledge of our knowledge holders, our elders, allowing the leaders to lead. And that is Indigenous nations. And in any way that they see fit, they have the answers, they have the tools, they have the ability. We certainly just need to support them and encourage them and empower them to do this work and to show us the way.